Let's head to the track where battle lines have been drawn between the Turkish Athletics Federation and World Athletics over the global governing body's decision on Thursday to block 11 athletes, including 4 Jamaicans, from switching allegiance to the European nation ahead of the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles. Kian Reyna reports.
Hours after World Athletics announced that they denied the applications of 11 athletes, including 4 Jamaican Olympians, the right to switch allegiance to Turkey, TVJ Sports has confirmed that the Turkish Athletics Federation will be appealing the decision. According to our sources who spoke on condition of anonymity, the first phase of the appeal will be done internally at the world governing body within 30 days. And should World Athletics rule against Turkey again, then they plan to take their appeal to sport's highest appellate body, the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS in Switzerland. The Jamaicans who find themselves in limbo following the decision of the review panel of World Athletics are Olympic discus champion Roger Stoner, Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, World and Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock, and Olympic triple jump finalist Jaden Hibbert. Efforts to reach the affected athletes and their agents up to sports time on Thursday were unsuccessful. However, a couple of sources close to the matter indicated that none of the parties involved will speak due to the legal filings being done by the Turkish Federation. In its decision, the World Athletics panel considered that, quote, approval of the 11 applications would impinge upon and compromise the imperatives underlining the World Athletics eligibility rules and transfer of allegiance regulations. The panel also found that, quote, the applications formed part of a coordinated recruitment strategy led by the Turkish government acting through a wholly owned and financed government club to attract overseas athletes through lucrative contracts with the aim of facilitating transfers of allegiance and enabling those athletes to represent Turkey at future international competitions, including the Los Angeles 2028 Olympic Games. According to the global governing body, quote, given the common features across the applications, the panel assessed them together and determined that such an approach is inconsistent with the core principles of the regulations. They said these principles are designed to safeguard the credibility of international competition, encourage member federations to invest in the development of domestic talent, and maintain confidence among athletes that national teams are not primarily assembled through external recruitment, end quote. But that contradicts their own updated transfer of allegiance rules. In an email communication to athlete representatives on April 9, World Athletics indicated that, quote, complete applications received prior to March 27, 2026 will be processed under the current rules and regulations, and applications submitted after March 27, 2026 will be subject to the updated rules and regulations, end quote. The amendment ensures that each country can only recruit each 4-year cycle. We sought the opinion of an international attorney, Andre Okola, on the developments.
Making these commentary broadly, again, whatever the decision path that a federation takes naturally will depend on the documents available to them, which in this case is a decision. And in fact, ultimately, one would think that the Court of Arbitration for Sports may have an ultimate say in this entire thing.
Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.